Zimbabwe Kid and you speak. Yo, I know you know this kid, I've been straight from my ride, straight from the Zim with the freshest still beats. He got moves, I got grooves, room mics like slick. GD Shash, I'm cheating down with you. So where the fly brothers looking fresh, wave them high. Where the fly sisters looking pretty, shake it low. Where the DJ mom and the pops open up shop sit. And now pops the babies, this the way that I've been doing it. Limited the speed to the girl up my driving. Feels like automatic, though it's thick. Got a new flow this year, so now I'm stimming like the love in the shower. I'm the man of the hour, man. And so it can't be a minute, man. 50 minutes till fame, man. Ain't really gon' cut it, man. So who the kid with a skill? Who the kid with a flow? Who's a hit with the ladies? I'm that kid, y'all gon' feel this year. Who the kid with a skill? Who the kid with a flow? Who's a hit with the ladies? I'm that kid, y'all gon' feel this year. Who the kid with a skill? Who the kid with a flow? Who's a hit with the ladies? I'm that kid, y'all gon' feel this year. Y'all gon' feel this year. Y'all gon' feel this year. How many flows I got? 23 to be exact. Not to mention my bass or the 10. I always ride it like one owner, cause I'm on it like commercial in the sickle. Plug it on, plug it like MTV. So who's the girl right there with a fat physique? Oh, she know I'm the kid with a ill technique. She can call me Algo V like my girl Monique. And yes, she do oblige like my girl Marie. Mic check 1, 2, let it get on the floor. Let me see you shake that, baby, give me some more. We can tangle with a tongue, do I need to say more? Oh no, oh yes, that's the move. So who the kid with a skill? Who the kid with a flow? Who's a hit with the ladies? I'm that kid, y'all gon' feel this year. Who the kid with a skill? Who the kid with a flow? Who's a hit with the ladies? I'm that kid, y'all gon' feel this year. Y'all gon' feel this year. Y'all gon' feel this year. You can call me Shaq, cause your body I can dig it in the club. When you hear this shake your coconuts and move left on the floor, that's right. Now move right on the floor, what's left? Visually I'm out of sight, sonically the drums tight. I'm the kid who don't care about a rock. You wanna rock the show, anyway you got a venue for sure. That's the floor that shatter your body. It's kinda funny and ironic, using eye candy. It's sweet like candy, ain't your name be candy. Pardon me my sweet lady, let me be a big candy. We can go skin and dipping on my water bed. The skill, the flow, with the ladies. I'm that kid, y'all gon' feel this year.